Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. If you're new here, hi, I'm Mercury, and today I'm still on board Royal Caribbean's Quantum of the Seas, and today we have docked. We are at Skagway, and I have a shore excursion booked. I'm here with my family. We're all doing this, and it is like a gold rush exploration and sled dogs. We are in it for the puppies. We want to see the husky puppies. We love the doggos, and that is what it's all about today. So we have this excursion booked through Royal Caribbean, and we're gonna see what it's all about. And I'm thinking it's about puppies. So come and join us as we see some Alaskan sled dogs here in Alaska. So we are off the ship. They have organized us into group numbers, and we are heading towards the bus with the corresponding group number. And that's the plan. Very, very misty out today. It's a very misty day. Okay, we have landed on a coach bus, and the coach bus is going to take us to the gold panning and the puppies. Going to the puppies. Okay, we have arrived. Klondike Goldfields. There's a general store. Oh, it's the prospectors' house.
August 16th, 1896. They found gold on Bonanza Creek feeding to the Klondike. And once you find gold, you gotta stake your claim. But once you stake your claim, you gotta let everyone know that there's gold there. Once people know there's gold in a spot, everyone's gonna rush too. So people from all over, 40 Mile, Circle City, Arctic City, Nunavut, all that area, they were rushing as quick as they could to stake their claims. The box is specially angled with these real ridges here. These ridges are called riffles, and the riffles would catch any of the gold. If there was water flowing and there was gold in that dirt, the dirt would wash its way down, get caught in the riffles, sink down to the bottom.
Look at this huge mountain and the river right here. A lot of us got distracted by nature as he's talking about the gold, because nature, oh my gosh. Now we're gonna pan for gold ourselves. We had like a whole demo. They taught us how to do it. Now it's our turn. So I got my paydirt. It came preloaded, and we're going to our little trough, and we're gonna shake it out. Now shake it out, shake it out. Whoa, whoa. So we get some water. Oh, too much water, too much water. Then they said shake it a lot because gold is heavy. So we shake. I put too much. There's way too much water in there. Okay. Still too much water. I overdid it. Okay. There we go. Now we shake. We shake it up. Shake it up. Whoa, whoa. Shake it up. Shake it up. So I don't know if y'all can see, but I have like a little tiny, I got little flakes in there. I got a few little golds. Okay, so we have to go to the assayer's office to have our gold measured. And I have my gold in my little canisters, and we have to go get it, I guess assayed would be the right word. Okay, weigh your gold this way. And then weigh your gold that way. And don't get distracted by the bear. Or get distracted by the bear. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. He's a cool bear.
All of this off. And then, because I'm good at my job, here we go. And then, here we go. Every piece of gold.
I'm guessing it's like $15 worth. Or maybe more. $18. Take a guess.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Wonderful. $24.75
Ho, ho, ho.
for a 1.2 grains of gold. Not bad for 10 minutes of playing with some dirt now, huh?
So that was pretty awesome. So we got to pan for gold. We learned a lot about the history of the gold rush on the Klondike. And although there's not really gold in Skagway, they set this up because it's really, really hard to get to the Klondike, as we learned. So it was great. They had like a demo of how you pan for gold, and then they gave us our own like pan full of pay dirt, and we had to find the gold flakes. Got it assayed and found out how much it was worth. So now we're waiting for the sled dog portion of the excursion to start. So we're gonna see puppies, puppies. See, I told y'all we were gonna see puppies. No, I'm just kidding. I'm in the gift shop right now, but there are puppies coming.
and then you feel that power of them speeding up, and your heart instantly speeds up. That adrenaline kicks in because you don't know what's around that corner yet, but you do know you're going to have to work very hard behind this sled very quickly. Because if we just stood here and let the dogs pull us up as they will, each dog's going to cut that corner closer. But in order to make that nice corner, we're actually going to rely on the two dogs that are right in front of the sled there. Those are called your wheel dogs, and they're going to be your real strong pullers.
I have a treat for Pearl, and Pearl didn't want it. Pearl, hello.
She's done this the time or two.
Hello.
We are waiting for them to release the hounds. The doggies are coming. Don't you hear them barking?
Oh, doggies! Hello, doggies. Hello.
Then they can an advantage because you get that added strength.
Hello.
Like your athletes go also get more strength. So it's just a trade-off there. But it's like
Yeah.
much preference for they want.
Hello.
Looks like we're about to get some souvenirs down here.
Oh, what a good boy.
I can't go if you guys are all watching.
Everyone's looking at me. Oh my God.
You can give all that knowledge and focus.
Puppies. Hello, puppies.
Yeah, that's fine. His dad is here.
Hi,
too.
puppy.
He's back there. He's not running around this time. Yeah, the light color and the blue eyes. Those blue eyes that's the Siberian husky.
Hello. Hi, puppies. Here it comes. Hi. Hey, puppers. Hey, pups. Puppers. Hello. Hello.
Here they come. Here they come.
Good job. Let's hear it for the dog.
A noisy baby.
Take a picture.
Oh boy, got kisses. Oh, that was so awesome. So we got to see the sled dogs, and they were in the sled run, and then they hooked them up to a sled, and they ran them around the track. It's a gravel track. There's no snow right now, but they ran the gravel track. And then afterward, they brought out little puppies, and we got to hold these little adorable puppies. They were so cute. They were so cute. Oh my gosh. So this was fabulous. I really enjoyed this excursion. We're about to board the bus and head back to the ship. So I guess with that, I am done for the day. I'll see you all real soon. And until then, stay inspired. Bye everyone. Take care.